guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from February the 18th through the 24th. Okay, and what I'm going to be doing, I made my own stickers on my Cricut, and I'm going to be doing fashion girls for winter. I thought it would be so fun because it's so cold in most of the country right now. And this paper I got out of my hot buy from Michael's again. I just love to get their hot buys. They have such beautiful papers and you can really save a lot of money. So I thought this was perfect for a wintry theme. So to me, this just looks like the snow and the wind is blowing, and then this, you know, are the actual snow flurries. Then I'm going to be using this washi from the Dollar Tree that looks like it has snow. And I'm going to be using this Bic marker in Sapphire. And then I went ahead and on my app store, I downloaded an app called Recolor Coloring Book. And I saw this image and I just colored her out, and then I printed her from my phone onto my computer, on my printer. And I just think it is so fun. So, and like I said, I made my own stickers. So let's get started. I'm really excited to do this one, okay? Let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad everyone loved my Valentine spread. I really enjoyed it. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be the dominant one of the spread, so I'm going to cut it first. But I think it is so pretty. I wanted something that just looked really cold, and I think this is going to definitely work. I love this paper too. I think I'm needing to change out my blade in my paper cutter. Okay, let's start putting our paper down like we want it. This is going to be so adorable. It just looks like it's windy and so very cold. Okay, all right, let's start gluing our paper down. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love that. That just looks very cold. Okay, so let's start putting our washi down. I love Dollar Tree washi, so I was so glad when I realized that this would match. Let's see how, I think I want it to go this way. You always get the cleanest cut with Dollar Tree washi. I think that is so pretty. Now I'm going to go down through here like I do sometimes. I think it really just makes it look more finished. I think that is really cute. Okay, so let's start putting down our stickers. Like I said, I made them on my Cricut. I think these are going to be adorable. So let me start taking them off of here. I think she is so cute. And I think maybe we will put, no, I think I'll just put her right here. Got her a little crooked. Okay, and then we'll put, oh, maybe this one right here. Maybe we'll put her right in here. She's so cute. And then we'll put this one put her like maybe right here. And we'll put this one, she's just walking with her purse and her coffee. She is all styling. I think she's so cute. And then this one has a little toboggan and a coat on. I'll stick her right here. And then this one, I think I may just put her right here, okay? I think that's really cute. Okay, let me write just a few things down. Okay. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take my paper cutter like I usually do and just cut around this and then put this on here. I think this is going to be so cute. So. Okay, I think that will work perfect. All right. Okay, now I'm just going to make my guidelines for my holes so I'll know where to punch them. Okay. Then I'm going to punch them out. And just make a couple little snips here so that it would fit in my happy planner. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is just glue this right on top of this. But I thought this was such a neat idea to use those coloring books and then just print them out and put them in your planner. I mean, there's so much you can do when you're working with your planner. Okay, and I'm gonna put her right there. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and take a look at it. I think this is so cute. I love the stickers. I think they're so pretty, and I think it definitely gives a very cool feel. It does look like you're out in the snow and they're walking. I love that. And then when you add this right here, that's really gonna top it off. I love that. It just looks so bright and cheerful, and it definitely, like I said, it looks cold. But, and you can write on the back of this if you want. So I really, like I said, I love this washi from the Dollar Tree. This paper is so cute. She actually looks like she's in the snow. I just really do love how this turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.